Well, what can I tell after 241 video and more than 6 years on YouTube? Watch this whole video to find out what is the biggest lesson that I have learned, so you don't have to. Well, I have been on YouTube for 6 years now, but only last year I was actively recording YouTube videos. I made my first video in 2019, and that was a video where I am reviewing my watch. That was just random video, but it performs very well. That video got about, I don't know, maybe more than 20,000 views, and that was my only video for 5 years. I didn't post anything, but maybe 1.5 years ago, I decided to make another video. This time, this was review video about tires. I have reviewed my tires on my car, and that video also performed very well. After that video, I also had some pause. I didn't record videos until maybe 1 year ago. I decided to take it more serious. And then I recorded some more videos. After that period, I started to record more and more videos, and my channel starts to grow. Now I'm in situation that I have more than 4,500 subscribers, more than 240 videos, and this is what I have learned through this process. Well, I did everything that the video gurus tell you to do. I post consistently. I post about 2 to 3 horizontal video per week. With every horizontal video, I also make a short video. So I did everything what they tell me. But I still didn't get monetized. Why I didn't get monetized? I have enough subscribers. I even had 4,000 watch hours. But I didn't have public watch hours. That is the main thing why I'm still not get monetized. So the hardest way is to get 4,000 watch hours. It is not subscribers. You get easily subscribers to your shorts or even through your long videos, but the hardest part is public watch hours. That is the main thing why I'm still not get monetized. So the hardest way is to get 4,000 watch hours. It is not subscribers. You get easily subscribers to your shorts or even through your long videos, but the hardest part is public watch hours. Maybe you can help me a little with those watch hours by watching this whole video, because watch hours is best built when viewers are watching whole video, so you can help me with that. What about my niche? I never had in the beginning some specific niche. I was starting with some review videos, then I even tried AI videos, but today I'm doing mostly review videos again. And I also tried, I forget to mention that, travel videos. Even today I do some travel videos and review videos. That is my main things that I do for my YouTube channel. For now, the best results are giving me review videos. I have most of review videos on my channel. So I think that is the niche that I will continue to grow on my channel. When I will get monetized, I think I will reach monetization goal for about few months to half a year, because I'm very close now. I have a little less than 3,000 public watch hours, and they are still continue to grow. My channel is growing every day, every week. My videos are getting watched longer and longer. I have constant growth of subscribers. So I think I'm on a good path. What is my advice to you? My advice is just be patient. Like in every job, every business, the patience is crucial. There is no overnight success on YouTube or on anything else. You need to be really consistent. That is great advice. Just post video, experiment. The videos will find you. You don't have to find them. After some times, you will see that some videos are performing better than the other ones. Then try to duplicate them. Make same videos, same kind of videos. You will, in the future, filter what is the best videos for you. So guys, I hope that I little help you with this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.